तुम्ही पळयतात युनिक गोवा.
Sri Sadanand Mahalu Seth Tanwade, need for construction of a flyover at the railway crossing gate in Davorlim village in the district of South Goa.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. I rise to bring to the attention of this August House the daily hardship faced by the residents of Davorlim village in the Navelim constituency of South Goa district due to railway crossing gate at Davorlim. This crucial link connects Davorlim to Akebais village and key towns such as Kepe, Kukodi and many neighboring villages, playing a vital role in regional connectivity. Chairman, sir, the railway crossing is the first crossing after Margaon railway station, a major junction in Goa, which experiences heavy train movement with over 20 to 30 trains passing daily. The gate remains closed for 20 to 25 minutes per cycle, causing several traffic congestion, particularly during peak hours. This disruption affects students and working professionals, forcing many to take longer routes, leading to unnecessary inconvenience, traffic jams, and fuel wastages, and increased travel time. The Railway Department had continuously brought in reforms in rail transport, including Konkan Railway. In Goa, geographically, Margaon in South Goa is the main junction for all these railways. All trains from Goa to Kerala via Mangalore and vice versa passes from Madgaon station. Davorlim being the middle point for all the people from Navelim as well as Margaon, public prefer to travel with their vehicle on the same route. The railway gate at Davorlim in Navelim is creating a great nuisance and problem for travellers. There is a strong demand from public for flyover at this crossing. More than 30,000 people, including residents of Kurtorim, Navelim and Veldi constituency of South Goa district, as well as surrounding villages, including Margaon city, will benefit from the much needed infrastructure. Adequate land is available adjacent to the city railway crossing, making the flyover construction technically and logistically feasible. Additionally, no major residential areas will be affected, making the project viable without displacement concern. Vice Chairman, sir, this flyover will significantly reduce congestion and accommodate the increased traffic from the upcoming educational hub at Davorlim, which will house over 30 schools from Margaon city and surrounding constituencies. I urge the government to take necessary steps for its construction at the earliest to improve transportation for the people of Goa. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Subscribe, share, like Unique Goa, your channel.